Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You love my channel, you love my videos. God bless you. You give me the encouragement to make these kind of videos. I'm just helping you guys. I'm getting rewards from my God, which is unbelievable. One day I will share this reward with you as well. I will make the new video. In this video, I will explain you, I will give you details step by step when you get your PCO license and what is going to be happen, what to do, and is about the zero dates, and is about the insurance, is about the rent cars, is about where to find work, how you can get the job, and if you have a PCO license you can get actually job as well. So please watch till to the end, do not skip it, because I'm receiving, trust me, about 100 messages and calls every day about this question. So it's difficult to answer because I'm teaching as well most of the time, and I'm making these videos as well. Okay, let's go to the point. First, I'm very happy for the people who getting their PCO license nowadays. The month of December 2022 was very lucky for too many people, because the whoever passed their topographical test in that month, they get their PCO license in January. Trust me, one person he got after 20 days. I don't know how he get it, because a lot of people, they are waiting for more than a year as well, more than 6 months as well. But nowadays, some people getting their PCO license within 2 months, 3 months. So do not worry about that when you're gonna get the license. It's take from 1 month to 1 year, because I don't know, only God knows and the TFL know what they have. They have a queue system or what is the criteria, but you can keep sending them email. If it's more than 6 months, then you can go to your MP to tell them to email to TFL if you're not getting your PCO lesson after 6 months. It works sometime as well. So very happy for who get the license, and when they get the license, they ask the first question, oh, can we work? Do you have to do the zero? Yes, you can work, because TFL will send you the zero date. Everyone have to do the zero assessment. Some condition is about the speaking and listening. If you submit your speaking and any certificate before 21st September of 2021, if it's accepted, you will not do speaking and listening. Otherwise, you have to do zero assessment. And if it's not accepted, they will email you. So you should not worry about zero. Just get the car or start working. So do not worry about the zero assessment, but keep reading the booklet. You can see the booklet. How you get this booklet? If you write in Google, if you can see on the screen, write zero assessment, then click on that link, so you will get this booklet. Just start reading this booklet whenever you're working. You can use in the tablet as well. Okay, so you get your license now, so you want to work now. So if you're working somewhere, so my advice, you should keep working. So first of all, you should rent the car, find the cheapest company. So yeah, we provide cars as well, as you can see on the screen. You can buy the car from us. I can work with the different companies, and you can if you want to rent the car, you can rent the car as well. We have different cars, as you can see on the screen. And if you want to do the rent to buy cars as well, so we have a good option to rent to the buy car as well. You can get from us, but my advice, you should rent the car. Any car you can rent from us. So first, you can rent the car. You can check how this works. If you like it, then you keep doing it. Then you can, if you want to leave the job, you can. If you want to work on the weekend, you can, because some people do not like it. This taxi job is difficult, it's not easy. So my advice, if you want to rent the car to check, so you should do that. You can find the cheapest company, or you can contact with me. Always contact with me on the WhatsApp to get the car and start working. So Then what is the next step? There's a different platform. You can work with Uber, Ola, Bolt, Free Now. You can just download the apps. If you're working with Uber delivery, then you have to get your new phone, or you just have a family member phone. You just register with the Uber, not with Uber Food. If you have already Uber Food, just register with the new email, new number. Then you can change your these details. Means if you have Uber Food account, food delivery, then you can have a Uber account for a car as well. So don't worry, you can make it easily. So these are the company you can start working with them. If you need the referral link, you just contact with me. I can send you the referral. In this way you can make the money, and you can reward me some money as well. And some there's a private companies as well, like a PCO, there's some offices like they run airport jobs. There's some local jobs as well. Some people want to work on the cash. So if you want to work on the cash, then you can contact with the local cab office. You can work with them. And some has you work with the chauffeuring companies like a Wheelie. If you want to work with a chauffeur, but you need to get the nice car for that. But some chauffeur company, they provide the car as well. You can find on Google. So these are the things, these are the companies if you want to work. And some you can work with a school run as well. Means you have to pick the school kids. Some people making good money by doing this job. Means you can start working like this. If you want to rent the car, then you can check the work, how it goes, how you can make the money as well. So next step is about the earnings. A lot of people ask how much you can make money. So with Uber telling us you can make from £15 to £25 or sometimes £30 per hour. This is the earning. So I'm not including the other expensive. It's going to be other expensive as well. So means you can average work can earn £20 per hour. So means if you work, let's say 10 hours, you can make 150 to 200 pound. But if you have some tricks, I will make another video. If you have a tricks, you can make good money as well. Because a lot of my friends, they work on Friday, he make 500 pound. I work same amount of hours, I earn 200 pound. So these are the tricks I will share in the another video. So keep watching my videos. Means you can if you work for 10 hours, you can make 200 pound. Let's say 200 pound. Then you have to check for your expensive as well. Petrol, how much petrol is going to be, 30 to 40 pound. Then insurance and the car as well. So I would say that if you make 200 pound, then if you take the expensive, that could be 150 then. But it's good money. I work as well. It's as compared to the other job, working with the taxi is good money, but some people do not like it. Some people want to work in the office as well. So that's what I'm saying. You rent the car first, then you check how you like it or not. Some people work in the office, they like it. Some people want to work like this, but there's a lot of risk involvement when you on the road as well. So you have to take this risk. But you can, with my experience, you can make good money, and you are flexible as well. You can do other job as well. So you hope so you understand this one. I make the note which one I'm going to cover it. I hope so I cover everything. So is about the PCO. Your people are getting the PCOs, the cell dates as well, and where to work. Yeah. So if you have any question about anything, so please ask me on the WhatsApp. Send me your audio or the text me. I'm happy to help you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please give me thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless.